Russia went out to win the toss and deciding to bat first. Darul Islam. These are the teams. Boris Alvarez, Phil Mustard, very strong right at the top of the order. Phil Mustard, Brad Hart, Joe Denley, Azhar Mahmood, Alok Kapali, Shabir Rahman also played a very good innings in one of the matches. One of the changes in that team is Mahmudul Hasan, who has come in place of Shoaib at the home. Durinto Rashai has made 2 changes. Edmiston and Ziaur Rahman out. In are Farhad Hassan and Abul.
The support here will be divided loyalties. He's a local boy, as you said, but now he's playing for a team from the north. Now, who are they going to support?
The game itself, Charles Coventry will be opening the innings with Tamim Iqbal. Now that came a little bit too quicker. He's got that. Oh, it's gone through. Yeah, they saw that early in the morning what has happened in the outfield, because it's not one of the best of outfield that they've seen so far, but Shafiul Islam should have stopped that one.
He's not going to be too happy. They played nicely enough wide of the fielder, but there you see, yeah, just that bounce. Really can't blame him for that. His hand was going down.
Yeah, short and wide, he's put that away. Has he got enough legs? It has. It's a very quick outfield, just a one bounce over to the fence. He just moves away to the leg side, making room, and then just clipping that away for a couple of more runs. You need to make your innings count. If you have got the start, you make sure that you bat for a longer period of time and just ease the pressure in them for the rest of the batsmen.
And there's a chance of a run out there. Yeah, directed, might have got him. Goodness.
It up. Charles Coventry would have surely been out of his crease if he had missed the stumps. What a shot! Pulled away for 4. Super shot from Charles Coventry. Picked it up. Gone. Gone many a mile. That's a biggie. Into the stands.
Look at that. He's bowled it in his range, in his zone, and he gets underneath that one. Full flow of the bat. Big back left. Full follow.
Continue to do it. That's gone up in the air. It's a back sweep, reverse onto the boundary ropes, smash. But this will certainly be good on Tamim Iqbal. That's gone up in the air. Don't bother running. Into the stands. Another 6, a big one.
It's 6 in this tournament. The timing is picture perfect. He hit that with a full swing of the bat, clouted it away. It's gone for a longer 6. It's 90 meters now. They're getting longer and stronger.
Well, he's been treated with another boundary, short and wide. You can't bowl there to a batsman who's looking good from the word go.
Look at those young kids. Still, I thought it was not very exactly wanted it, and that's the reason why that it was.
Well, up and under, over the top, 4 more in the same direction. What a shot that is from a man who seems to be in prime form. 5 4s and 2 6s already for him. Wow! He's not going to hang around. That smashed away on the offside for yet another boundary.
A bit of luck, but fortune favors the brave, as they say.
That's gone up in the air. It's a slower delivery, and it's got enough legs. Yes, it does. Another 6.
To the toss, Charles Coventry was anticipating the slower delivery. Has hit it hard and hit it high and hit it away because.
Oh! Did that miss everything? The keeper was left standing. He can't believe that Tamim Iqbal would have missed that. That move. But that is huge. That's coming towards us. That's a big hit from Tamim Iqbal. That's the way he should be playing rather than just nudging it around. That them to a big total. But look at that for a shot. That's off the back foot and it's just a foot away from being a 6. One back. Alok Kapali with the ball. Gone up in a loud appeal, but we'll wait for the umpire's signal on that one. It's a little. Oh, he's gone for it. Look at the way he's connecting. Bowled him. This is the wicket they wanted. Bowled before he got his bat down.
Yeah, not much he could do. Look at how low it hits on the stump. He wouldn't be on the back foot with his bat.
2 or 3 overs. Look at the way they're running. Oh, terrific delivery, but that'll be 4 for Katich. That's the start Katich would have wanted. Again, this time it's a terrific shot. Just the hint of width outside that off stump.
Over the top, another 4, 3 in a row. It's just getting better and better for Simon. He'll donate money which will go for the Taurid Foundation, and has that hit one of those cement bags now.
I've seen only 2 totals beyond 200. Down the track, out she goes for a maximum. Good use of the feet. Some fantastic cricket shots. This one from the bat of Tamim Iqbal. With the ball, he also just left the crease, having confidence within himself. Well, it's Simon Katich has gone down the pitch and hit it dead straight, dead centre, and picks up a boundary. 12 runs coming in that over. Boost to both of them. Oh, it's given him. Yes, a thick sound. It's a good decision. Really good decision. Yep. To that one, just over the ground. Simon Katich gone after brisk end.
As it comes, I haven't really set any big goals or anything, so.
Right, when you retire.
Bowler. Again down the track, up in the air, and gone for yet another 6. It's clean hitting, clean as a whistle. Yes, the first one was into the stratosphere. This one was a controlled shot rather, but had got enough legs to just clear the boundary rope. This time coming down the track, inside out, full face of the bat. Raised 3 runs also. Oh, that didn't get up at all. Well, as they said, it missed everything, which is of course good for Johorul. He was going for a big heave on the onside.
Well, clobbering them hard and high is what you wanted. He's got it, clobbered it, but not very hard and not too long. Straight down the head, hands of Joe Denley. No problem.
And then took it with ease eventually. So if you can't get it, let somebody else try. Full toss, and it's gone for 6.
A juicy full toss like that. What do? You put it away for 76-meter hit. Oh, he might be out. He was dancing down the wicket and he missed the line completely. And that was the wrong one, I suspect.
This is a big wicket. Again the flipper. The faster delivery. Tamim left high and dry to his wicket, but he played a magnificent knock. 66 of 47, and he's only gone for 22. Yet another one. That's the 3rd wicket. That's a very soft dismissal. So he is on a hat-trick chance at the moment. Moeen Ali gone.
That's pulled away, and it's pulled wide of the fielder. 1 bounce, 4 more runs. Full toss. This time it's been chunked away over the top, just losing his length.
Missing his length. Azhar Mahmood bowling it in the slot, and Abul Hassan, how good a shot is that? Just where he needed it. That's really not the length that you want to be bowling at this stage.
This is the highest for Durantarash, and that he didn't know where he hit it. It's gone up in the air, and it might land into someone's palms. It has, and he struck back the bowler.
Abul Hassan is gone for 13 of 10.
It's hit high. It's hit high. It's going to go a long, long way. Oh, he saw most into the palm. I thought that was going to go well over the ropes, but in the deep, couldn't catch it. Parried it over for 6 more runs. the rival camp there.
But that's not good. They've conceded 6 runs.
Well, he's hit it square of the wickets, high and handsome. That's not going to give any problems to anybody because it's gone the distance. What a way to finish the innings. This is good. Ball, the last ball of the innings. It's a slow full toss. It's hit hard and it's going to be just pulled in inside the boundary for the batsman to take a couple of runs. That is a finish with a flourish.
66 of 47 was Tamim Iqbal. He started a little slowly, but he controlled the innings. Coventry, 62 of 25 was devastating. And then Irvine in the end, the icing on the cake, 30 of 11. That was fantastic stuff.
It was tough work initially by the bowlers because Tamim and Coventry were going great guns. A partnership of 85 of 43 continued with Tamim and Katish for 39. And then that partnership that made a lot of difference. Irvine in these last 2 partnerships with Abul Hassan and Farhad, bringing another 43 runs for the last 2 wickets. Tough work for the bowlers, most of them going over that economy rate being shattered. Wicket shared between Shafiul, who bowled economically, by far the best show, 2 for 23. Well, I should say Alak Kapali also had 3 for 23. Other than that, all the bowlers suffered. So, situation here, Borishal Burners have got their work cut out. They need another 214 runs to win in their 20 overs and they have to start at 10.70 runs per over.